Hi, this is Lit from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2011 Holden Barina, stock number 6001. This ran from the 10th 2010 to the 6th 2015. Has a B12D 1.2 litre petrol engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a B12D 1.2 litre petrol engine. Left front headlight needs polish. Front bonnet no dents. Left front guard no dents. Left front 14-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear 14-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear tail light. Right rear 14-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear door no dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front guard no dents. Right front 14-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front mirror. Right front door 1 dent. Right front door card. Right front master switch. Manual gear stick. Heater AC controls. Factory single stack CD player. Interior mirror. Left front sun visor. Right front sun visor. Front courtesy light. Factory 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel. Instrument cluster.